You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary in English that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. How do you say it? Meth. Meth. Easy, one syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here as meth. And now you know, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and found it useful. More videos here for you on how to pronounce more confusing words. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for the support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.